Hello, mathematicians. Today for our math warm-up, we are going to do something with the hundreds chart. Basically, what I'm going to ask you to do is look very closely at this hundreds chart, and I want you to describe this hundreds chart in two parts with the whole being 100. So if you look at this chart, you can see that not all the tens are covered up. Do you see that? So it's really 8 all the way across. But look what happens when I flip the hundreds chart over. Now you quickly can see the tens. And if you know that there are 20 or 2 tens there, how many tens are there? So the equation for this would be one part is 80, the other part is 20, and the whole is 100. So 100 equals 80 plus 20. Now another way you can look at this though is you could start with the whole and take away a part. You could say 100 minus 20 equals 80. Let's try another one. Again, you might want to flip this so that you can see full tens. But then also, I want you to look really closely though. Each group going down, each of these rows or columns going down are fives. And if you know that there are 10 tens in 100, then you know that there are 10 fives that are shaded. Let's look and see. Are there 10 fives? Yes. So the two equations, you can stop the video and explain or write down your equations. Try two different ways. Okay, let me explain what my two equations would be. 100 minus 50 equals 50. Or you could say 100 is the same as 50 plus 50. Let's try this one. Stop the video, explain your equations, write them down if you need to. Okay, I see 100 minus 20 equals 80, or 100 minus 80 equals 20. Or you could say 20 plus 80 equals 100. There's many different ways. Now let's try a harder one. Think about what is shaded and not shaded. We know that the whole is 100 still. The shaded parts you can see as 3 tens, and I know that this partial one here is 7 because look, there's 3 that are not shaded. So I know 37 plus, what's the other part? Stop the video and write down your equations or explain to an adult. You're right, 100 minus 37 equals 63. Thank you for joining me with our math warm-up today.